Okay, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about Venmo, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you make Venmo transactions private? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to make Venmo transactions private anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're using Venmo to pay your contractors or employees for your business, like I do, you know that you don't want to share all that information to the world. So maybe you want to make your Venmo transactions private. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Venmo app. It's this blue and white one here on the top left. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well, but I'm going to go ahead and open up my Venmo app now. Okay guys, I went ahead and opened up my Venmo app. This is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to make your Venmo transactions private, what you need to do is you need to click on your profile icon down here on the bottom right. Okay, once you click there, you will see more information about your Venmo account. And in order to make your Venmo transactions private, click on this gear icon here on the top right. All right, once you click there, you're going to see a drop-down menu, and you want to look for this section here called privacy. It looks like a little lock icon. Okay guys, so here is where you can make your transactions private in Venmo. So you actually have a couple of different options. This is really important, so make sure you pay attention. So one is you can make the transactions public. So this is going to be something like a public Instagram. Everyone's going to be able to see the transactions that you make. You can also change it to just your friends, and then you can do what I do and private. So only I can see my transactions along with the person that I was interacting with. Also under the privacy, what you can do is if you make it private, that's going to be for your future payments. However, if your past transactions are public, you can go ahead and change those by clicking here, past transactions. Okay, so this is to do with all of the transactions you had historically. You can go ahead and change that to just your friends or change all to private. So there you have it guys. If you're wondering how to make your Venmo transactions private, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.